Pikihal and Mashki in Karnataka. The beginning of the farming. This topic is we learn the how to early man start the farming with a seed in the field. Now the agriculture was the biggest discovery of this period. Nothing is known as to how cultivation of crop started. Discarded seed might have a sprout and suggest to the link between seed and plant to the Neolithic man. Wheat and barley were the first cereal grown. Sickle, which had been found to many Neolithic sites, might have been used for harvesting the crop. Thus, from a food gatherer man become a food producer. In this age, the early man changed his life in a food producer. Food producer. Agriculture means that the early man's life became the more settled. He did not have to wander from place to place in search of food because they grown food on self, so they not wandered here and there for their food. The places where man settled down developed into villages. Many people gathered one place and live together, and then they make a village. Family unit came into existence. He started living in mud houses near his field. As more occupation became known, division of labor started. And now people know how to do farming when he changed his life, and some others people do other work in started their living life without the wander life. Men took care of agriculture and making weapons. Women looked after the children and they reared the animals. During the Neolithic age, man started using polished stone tools. Before the Neolithic age, they have not polished tool. In the Neolithic age, they have a polished. In the Neolithic age, they have polished tool. This is the very good sign to beginning the start of the people change their life. During the Neolithic age, man started using polished tools, cultivated plants, domesticated animals, and settled in villages. As a term suggesting a stage of culture development, Neolithic age varies with geographic location. In Southeast Asia, Neolithic culture appeared soon after the 10,000s BCE. The beginning of Neolithic culture in South Asia can be traced back 7000 BC. Remains of food-producing societies in Eastern Europe have been dated around 6500 BC, while the Neolithic culture reached northwestern Europe and 4500 BC. Now the next topic is beginning of earliest human man settlement. Because the first one, the man is starting the farming, and now they make the tools and the boats and the other labors, and now he want to settle one place. The beginning of agriculture, parasites completely change the lives human. In the order to cultivation land and the grow crop, man needed water, so he began to settle near the bank of river and the lakes. Proper dwelling area instead of cave, he built mud houses with thatched roof. Gradually clustered this house development into a village and man began living in community because they want the farming need water. So they want to settle near bank of river. Now the learning to rear animal, and the first one, the early man began a farmer. Now he settled one places. Now the learning to rear animals, how to the early man learned rear animal for his use. In addition to becoming farmer, human beings began to tame domesticated animals like a horse, goat, donkey, sheep, etc. The first animal to be tamed was dog. Animal provide milk, meat, and even carry burden on his back. Animal like goat, sheep were reared in herd. Man even started protecting them from wild animals. This is how they became herders. Animals have lived them for their food and have in farming. So the people rear the animals, and the animals are very useful to them. Now the part 1 of this chapter is complete. You learn it carefully, and you have any problem, write the comment box of MPS Academy.